Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of the new Super Mario Bros. Movie, I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw a Yoshi Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Yoshi Surprise Fold, we're going to begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners of my paper and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold right here. So it looks like a big bookmark. Now when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines in here that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And then I like to turn my paper this way so I can open up my surprise fold. Now to start off with our Yoshi Surprise Fold, I'm going to begin by making the eye. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a big curve shape that's just going to come up and then down to here. And then I'm going to make another big curve that's just going to come up and then down to the end of my paper. Now for the nose, I'm going to make a nice big curve shape that's just going to come up and then in. Right here, I'm going to make a sad face shape. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around and then come down here. I want to make another shape just like that for the pupil. I want to make a big circle for a little reflection, and I'm just going to color this part in. Next, I'm going to make a little black dot up here for the nostril. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come down and up. And then right here, I'm going to curve this line down and come all the way over to here. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes down here and a little line that comes here. Then I'm going to make a few little bumps on here for some of the spikes on Yoshi. And then right here, I'm going to make a big curved line right here. Now my next step is I'm going to open this up and work on the inside. Now, once I have this opened up, I'm going to begin by working on the top. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to curve this line down, and I'm going to bring it up to about here. I'm going to make a little curved line here, and then I'm going to bring this line all the way down here. Next, I'm going to make a big curved line here. And then I'm going to bring this line up and then to here. Now for the tongue, I'm going to draw a long line that comes out with another one that comes right here. And then I'm going to make a big kind of like oval shape right here. Now you can put whatever you want to on the end of here, but I think I'm going to put a little Goomba on the end. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a big sad face right here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come down. It's going to go up and then back down towards the tongue. I'm going to make a little line right here. And then I'm going to make two circle shapes right here for the feet. Now right here, I'm going to draw an oval for an eye, and then another oval for an eye. And then I'm going to put two small ovals in here, and I'm going to color them in. Now for the eyebrow, I'm going to go down and then up to here, and I'm just going to color this in. And then same thing, down and then up and then just color this in. I'm going to make a big sad face here, and then 2 big teeth. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Yoshi Surprise Fold. So when I have it all folded up, I've got Yoshi right there, and then when I open it, he's got his tongue sticking out and he's attacking a Goomba. But you can put whatever you want to on there. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.